Everybody, welcome to Tech Insider Update.
All right, real quick, Power App portals, and then I'll let Preston take other stuff on Power Apps. Couple things that are going to be in April, so I just wanted to focus on these, and then a pretty cool preview portal because we were talking about field service earlier. You are now able to use in the Power Apps portal API an Unbound Dataverse action, which means that you don't have to be tied to the entities that you're using in Dynamics or in Power Apps to trigger an action. So now you can basically start calling anything through the Power App portal web API. Very cool stuff right there. We were limited beforehand. And then as mentioned, there is a portal already pre-built for field service, and this is going to let customers know, like, hey, I'd like to sign up for updates, or where's my tech at? So when we were talking about geofencing earlier, they'll be able to see where the tech last entered a region, right? Are they still at home? Are they at the office? Are they en route? Or have they pulled into your neighborhood and they're within the radius? So very cool stuff to be managed on the Power Apps portals. Power App portals, just FYI, if you're using other things in Dynamics, it is the portal for that. It's the portal for marketing sites. It's the portal for marketing event sites as well. Okay, other Power App stuff. Preston.
Yeah, very similar to some updates in SharePoint. Power Apps got a pretty big lift on their search capabilities. So if you search for BLUW instead of BLUE, it will return those results. Or if you search for Adatum Corp instead of Adatum Corporation, it will bring back those bits of information that you're actually looking for. Overall, a better understanding within search as well. So Bob Lyon would return results for Robert Lyon as well as Rob. Fast 8 spelled out would return things for the fast number 8. You can kind of get the idea, but this is kind of cool too. If you were to search for open Adatum opportunities, it would go to the opportunity table and find Adatum as a customer, which are open as well. If you have like accounts in the LA table, that was your search criteria, it would pull back accounts in Los Angeles. So overall, search is just getting quite a bit smarter. That search capability also moves to the model-driven apps on mobile. So it's now in the header. It allows you to see your recent search history, as well as IntelliType. So as you're typing, it will show you results. It's actually pretty quick as well. And finally, for the mobile app, we've got a new public preview for the overall look of the app. So you can turn this experience on in your settings, or it will just pop up and ask you, hey, do you want to try the new experience? And you can choose yes or no. But this will allow you to pin. Basically, you have a personalized homepage of the apps you use most frequently. You can pin different apps to your home screen and/or star them or favorite them inside the app. And then you can see all of your apps across environments, which is super handy. Lastly, on the Power Apps front as a whole, this one's kind of fun. You can now, it's fun and terrifying at the same time. You can bring a table into Dataverse for Teams and edit that table inside of Excel. So if you need to do a bulk upload of information, you can just dump it into your Excel file and hit publish. It does take some of the data integrity constraints that exist in your Dataverse tables. For example, like these are the only values that are allowed in this column, in a choice column, and then those will persist into your Excel file. So that's pretty cool.